Evening folks. Right, after quite a bit of a mission through the brambles, I'm now at the eastern portal of the Barnsdale railway tunnel. Now, this tunnel it were opened on 20th of July 1885. So this is Victorian engineering at its absolute best. That is stunning, stunning brickwork. It's been closed since 1959, and this tunnel is 1,226 yards long. And despite that horrible looking fencing, I'm going to have a walk through it. Now, if we just look up onto this wall here, there's a CCTV camera just there. But I've been reliably informed by a well-informed gentleman that they don't work. I don't know if you can make it out, but it looks black on there, but I can just see Western Portal, so it's a good walk down. But like I said, I've got that fence to deal with first. It's quite an angry looking fence. Steel plates, spikes, lavering anti-climb paint, and some horrible spinny spiky looking things. But we're going in. Oh yeah, we're going in. So I'll see you on the other side. Not the easiest entrance that I've had to location, but I'm in. Yeah, like I said, we're in Eastern Portal at the minute. Don't know if you can just see over my shoulder. Yeah, right at distance you see a tiny little hole, and it's Western Portal. Like I said, it's over 1,000 yards along this tunnel. We're going to have a nice little wander through. Few things to see along the way. Some amazing brickwork as well. I mean, these Victorian lads really knew how to build. It's just awesome. Just a bit of a pig to get in. Well, you know, we're in, so we'll stop moaning. Now, a long way down here, what we've got, well, that way this is the old Hull and Barnsley railway line. Yeah. Like I said, Victorian. Now, along the way down this tunnel, there's 3 100-foot ventilation shafts. Now, they have been capped off from top, but from bottom we'll be able to look up into them. Like I said, I've brought a decent bit of light with me. I'm going to try and do a bit of light painting as well, get some photographs, because, like I said, brickwork in here is stunning. I'm really looking forward to this one. Got to say thanks to Pat Dickinson as well for bringing this one to my attention. Cheers, Paul. And if you haven't checked out his channel, then you should do, because the guy is an absolute legend. Take it from me. So I'm just going to gather my bits and bobs and we'll go for a little wander. It's still a bit dark at the minute, folks, and I will get some more light on things as we start moving along. It's just at this moment in time I'm carrying quite a lot of stuff, but I'm going to get set down when I get somewhere near the first ventilation shaft, I'm thinking. But here we've got one of these little, I don't know if you can see it actually, it's one of these little refuge areas where the workers used to tuck in if a steam train were coming through. Must have been terrifying. I can see a little soot on the roof as well. Wow. Yeah. So like I say, I've come in from the eastern side, so there's a few things somewhere along this way that I want to take a little look at. I know it's just getting ridiculous dark now and you can't really see anything, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to sort some more light out, I think, because I can't cope with this. There you see there's another one of those little refuge areas there. Yeah, it's up onto the ceiling. Wow, this is cool. Right. Yeah. Right, let's get some more light, I think. Just give me a quick minute to sort that out. Yeah, this one's caved in a little bit. You can see there's been a bit of repair work going off there. That's definitely not the original brickwork, and it's definitely not up to the same standard as the Victorian brickwork, which is absolutely stunning. But there's a lot of water pressure behind these walls, and they are actually getting pushed through. I don't know how safe I am down here actually, but we're in, so we're just going to get on with it. So a lot of this has fell away. Got to be somewhere near the first ventilation shaft now. Like I said, there's 3 of them, 100 foot up to the surface, and they're all capped off. So I guess that means I'm 900 for what? No? Can't be. Wow, that is absolutely awesome, that. Look at that. Look at that brickwork, that is flipping brilliant. Ah. Ha. So this has got to be, oh, you can hear reverb on my voice now. Wow. We're quite far in, and because we've come from the eastern side, I'm at Sharon Spring. I'll just get a bit closer to that and show you that. Sharon Spring. Wow. Now there's a few stories surrounding this one apparently. Everybody's entitled to believe what they want, I suppose. Some people say that it were named after a homeless lady who used to live in this tunnel, and she died from drinking that spring water apparently. There's other people who say that Sharon were mowed down by a train. Personally, I mean, I think, looking at that and looking at that bit of writing there as well, Sharon were probably just victim of a joke. She was probably the excitable wife or girlfriend of one of the brickworkers that come down here. And this was probably his funny little memorial plaque for his leaking lady. Because some birds do squirt a lot, don't they, to be fair. So, maybe that's why. I can't see drinking, that's going to kill anybody. Can't see anybody living down here neither, to be honest, like. I mean, why would you? But anyway, there you go. There's Sharon Spring. Lovely. Right then, so we've made it to the first ventilation shaft, and there's that's signed for it. You've got HBR, Hull and Barnsley Railway. It's tunnel free, shaft free, I think. Yeah. And it's just up there. Let's go and stand underneath that and have a look up there, because yeah, that's a straight 100 foot up. Wow. And there's just a little hole, a little beacon of light up there. That's flipping awesome. Look at some of that brickwork surrounding that. Now, I know a lot of it's covered in soot. I do believe that some of them are a bit cleaner. But wow, that is pretty cool. I like that. Still got a bit of a way to go yet. You can see some of this calcite on wall as well. Like I said, there's a lot of water pressure there behind here. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, it's solid as well. Wow. Wow. You can hear a lot of drips coming through. It's not just pissy knickers down there. But yeah, that shaft's cool. Like that. I'm going to stand underneath it again. Yeah. Like I said, there's some railway sleepers up there. Railway tracks, sorry, you can see 3 of them. And then they've concreted over at top. So that's where we came in. There's exit, so not even halfway through yet. There's a lot of original brickwork that's come away. And there's been quite a bit of repointing done down here. But the calcite's really starting to build up now that I'm getting further in. Big patch of it on that wall there. Yeah. Just going to put a little pause on. I take some still shots, so you'll have to excuse me, ladies and gents. But again, as I was saying, I've got a massive build up of this calcite on these walls. Wow. That is flipping awesome, and it is absolutely solid as well. I mean, it's generally dry down here, but the tunnel itself, but that's solid, and you can see they've put these wheat pipes into the wall to try and relieve some of the water pressure. And you see that one, it's got some calcite dripping out of it. Yeah. That is amazing. Wow, absolutely solid it is as well. Yeah. They've drilled quite a lot of these wheat pipes in actually. They're all way down. And they're just going into it back and just, you know, like I said, trying to ease some of that pressure that's building up. But that's going to make a great photograph, that. If I can do that and carry on filming at the same time, I will do. And give it a shot. Wow. Yeah, I can't, I'm going to have to, I'm just going to have to put a pause on again. I'd say we're probably about halfway through now. And we're at shaft number 2. Massive reverb now down in the middle of the tunnel. Sounds really strange. I don't know if that's coming across on audio, but wow. So yeah, there we are, Hull and Barnsley Railways and shaft number 2. Hell of a lot of calcite again, it's really starting to build up now. It's just drips everywhere, but here we go. If I look up now, and there we go, staring straight into shaft number 2. Brickwork is absolutely fantastic. The main purpose really for me coming down here, I just wanted to come and do some photography, but I just thought while I was here I'd just make a little video. It's probably not going to be brilliant, but let you take a little look at the old place. That's it up there. It's mainly constructed out of red brick, but you can just see around edges there you've got this blue brindle brick, and it's just it's so effective. It's really something that, I mean, do you imagine work that went into building that? Absolutely mega. Yeah, we don't build stuff like that anymore, but I tell you what, I wish I'd brought more light with it. I honestly thought that I'd have enough, but I just haven't. So yeah, sorry about that, folks. It's a bit of a piss poor video, but anybody who fancies having a wander down here, trust it's well worth it, as long as you're not scared of the dark. Anyway, I'm just going to, I know I keep saying it, but I'm going to put another little pause on because, like I said, I just come down here to take pictures mainly because this is great. So I'll catch up with you in a little bit when we get a bit further down. Probably when we get back down to vent shaft number 1. Gracias, amigos. Adios.